So today we're going to be checking out a minimalist Aramid fiber case made by an up-and-coming company called THINBORNE. I've actually done a review on this type of case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I really must say it's a really good value, and I'll show you why in just a minute. And if you guys want to pick this case up yourself, I will be putting product links in the video description. And by the end of this video, I promise you'll know whether or not this case is right for you. So let's get started. So it comes in this really nice presented box. It's got kind of like this Aramid fiber look all the way around the box itself. You open it up to see the case. This case is made from 600D Aramid fiber. It's super light and thin and strong. And the reason why I said it was a good value, because not only does it come with the case, but it comes with two tempered glass screen protectors. This case also does have built-in MagSafe, which is awesome. So if you have other MagSafe accessories like power banks or car mounts, you can definitely use it with this case. It also has a couple installation kits for the tempered glass. So first off, let's see how much this case weighs. It's going to be super light at only 23 grams. So if we take a closer look at the case, as you can see, again, it is super light, very thin. And because it's got that Aramid fiber on the back, it keeps down fingerprint smudges, but you might get a few on here. You just need to wipe them off. It's really not that bad. So let's put our phone inside the case. Clips onto the phone very nicely. Feels really good in the hand. Nice and smooth. Feels like there's no case on the phone at all. And look at how slim that is. That is awesome. It also has a slight raised edge around the front of the phone to accommodate for that tempered glass as well. If you look in the bottom, as you can see, it doesn't have a big cutout like some other cases. It's pretty much covered except for your ports. On the side here, it does have that cutout for your power button and your volume rocker. On the back, again, it's got that nice Aramid fiber. It's nice and smooth, and they also have a raised edge to protect your camera lenses as well. It is slight, but it is there. I really do like this case. It fits the phone perfectly, and as you can see, it adds pretty much no extra bulk. It's kind of like the phone doesn't even have a case on it when you're holding it. Now, the case won't really protect your phone if you happen to drop it. If you happen to hit one of the edges here, of course, it'll protect it from scuffs, but that's only like minor drops. This case really isn't for drop protection. It's more for keeping the back and sides of your phone from scratches and keeping it super thin while feeling really good in the hand. So now that we have the case on the phone, let's install the tempered glass screen protector. So the first thing you want to do is to clean off your screen really well, making sure you get rid of any dust, dirt, grease, then dry it off. And it doesn't really come with an installation guide because you can use the case as the guide itself. So what I would recommend doing is taking the guide stickers, putting on the screen protector just like this to kind of give you something to hold on to during installation. Then we'll peel off the bottom of the protector. Then just hold on to those guide stickers to install. Then once you have the screen where you want it, just kind of press down in the middle and you can see it start to adhere to your screen. Remove your stickers and you can kind of push down any part that you see that still has some minor bubbles. Now if you take a look at the installation, it looks pretty good. We do have some slight bubbles in the top corners here, and I did happen to get some hair underneath the screen protector, but I think it has to do the way that you place the screen, because at the bottom here I have more of a gap than I do at the top, so you have to place it a little better than I did and you shouldn't get any bubbles. But it looks really good on the phone as far as touch. Feels nice and smooth, just like the glasses on the phone. This is also a full coverage screen protector, so it does cover your camera on the top, but now your phone is protected on the screen, on the edges, and on the back. And as far as fingerprints goes, it does pick up some fingerprint smudges, but you can very easily just wipe those away. No problem there. The edges of the screen protector are also rounded off. Let's test out our fingerprints. and fingerprints seem to be working just fine. Yeah, so if your fingerprints aren't working, just re-register them and you shouldn't have any problems. As far as touch goes, seems like we have no problems there either. Everything seems to be working fine. You can access the top. And as you can see, it is crystal clear. Now there is a slight gap on the edges of the phone, so it's not actually touching the case. So there isn't any lifting, and it should be case compatible in case you want to use these screen protectors with another case as well. And then like I mentioned before, this case also does have MagSafe. So I have my MagSafe power bank here. We take this and put this on the back, clips into place, and it starts to charge your phone immediately. And it's got a nice strong magnetic hold on the back, so you don't have to worry about your MagSafe accessory just falling off. And unlike some of the other cases, this MagSafe battery doesn't actually touch the camera lenses, so there's no gap. And it gives it a much stronger hold than it would than some other cases. And if you have these little pucks, these work amazing as well. And you can also use this with regular wireless charging if you don't happen to have a MagSafe power bank or a charger. This is my second time reviewing a case from THINBORNE, and I've got really nothing bad to say about it. If you're looking for a minimalist case that's super strong, very thin and light, and offers you built-in MagSafe, I would definitely recommend the THINBORNE Aramid fiber case. Again, if you guys want to pick this up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.